Hello, I am back again with another at-home activity, and today we will be doing a chromatography experiment. So I'm going to put the video of me placing the paper towel in the water and seeing how the food coloring reacts to the water being absorbed in the paper towel. So chromatology is basically trying to see the different colors and the different pigments that a color has when the water absorbs and go through the paper towel. And so usually black food coloring works better with this experiment, but I didn't have black food coloring, so I used blue instead, as you can see in the video below. And yeah, so I feel that this relates to chapter 5 in constructivism. And constructivism is the way or how a student can learn science that relates to language and the culture of science. And so Pickett's theory is that one part of culturalism is based on the individual and the environment that the individual is in, and then the other part of culturalism is based on social activity, like doing experiments or just reading a book about the subject, as the textbook described. And I feel as with this activity, this could be one of those social activities, and it can, has to be a great discussion guide for students, a discussion topic. With me, I will be teaching second grade, so I think this would be a great experiment by seeing which colors will work the best with the water. Will like crayons or markers or food coloring work best with crayons, and seeing the different colors of pigment, seeing the different pigments that the colors have. Well, why does black have these different color pigments and blue only has maybe like one color pigment? So I think that will be a great way to use cultivism in this experiment, because it's a social activity, and then you can use it as a classroom discussion. And also I could say it could be an individual and environmental experience, because you're using things that are in the student's environment, and you're expanding your students' learning. And I know for me, I work at a low income school, and most of our students come from low income housing, and 99% of our students are on free reduced lunch. So this will be a fascinating activity and experiment for those students. But that's all for now. Until next week, thank you.